Yo, what's up everyone? Innovate Tech here, and today we're doing things a little differently. We're going to explore something super exciting. Instead of the usual tech talk, we're diving into the often overlooked potential of your Android phone. You might be surprised at what it can do. This isn't just for making calls or scrolling through social media, it's so much more than that. This thing can actually make you money. Yes, you heard that right, real money. In this video, we're breaking down 6 different ways you can turn that pocket-sized powerhouse into a money-making machine. From apps to side gigs, we've got it all covered. Whether you're a coding whiz, a wordsmith, or just looking for some quick ways to earn extra cash, there's something here for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So if you're ready to unlock your phone's earning potential, smash that like button, and let's dive in. Get ready to transform your Android into a money-making machine. First up, freelancing. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field. The way we access it has been revolutionized by our phones. With just a few taps, you can connect with clients from all over the globe. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect skilled individuals with clients worldwide. These apps have made it easier than ever to find work that matches your expertise. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and browse gigs, from writing blog posts to designing logos. The opportunities are endless and diverse. It's like having a job board in your pocket. You can search for jobs anytime, anywhere. Freelancing takes dedication and hustle, but the flexibility is unbeatable. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace. Work from anywhere, anytime, and choose projects that interest you. Whether it's a beach or a park, your office can be wherever you want it to be. Plus, you're in control of your rates, scaling your earnings as you gain experience. The more you work, the more you can earn. Need quick cash? Surveys and Microtasks are your go-to. Apps like Google Opinion Rewards and Swagbucks let you earn rewards by completing short surveys, watching videos, and more. For all you creative minds, content creation is booming, and your Android phone is your secret weapon. Film and edit videos for YouTube, capture photos for Instagram, or start a podcast. Focus on your passions: gaming, cooking, travel, tech. The possibilities are endless. Monetizing takes consistency and hustle, but once you build an audience, explore ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Got a car and some free time? Ride-sharing with Uber or Lyft can be your ticket to extra cash. Download the app, sign up as a driver, and start accepting ride requests. Be your own boss, set your hours, and drive when you want. Factor in expenses like gas and maintenance, but the earning potential is there, especially in busy areas. Turn your clutter into cash with your Android phone. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell used items. Snap high-quality photos, write clear descriptions, set your price, and watch the offers roll in. Presentation is key. Clean up your items, stage them nicely, and be responsive to buyers. Let's talk about investing and how you can get started with just a few dollars. Micro-investing apps like Acorns and Robinhood make it easy for anyone to start investing with minimal amounts. You can invest your spare change or small amounts into a diversified portfolio, making it accessible for everyone. It's like having a virtual piggy bank that grows over time, helping you build wealth gradually. Remember, investing involves risk, so it's important to start small and learn the ropes as you go. Do your research, invest responsibly, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Knowledge is key to successful investing. So there you have it, 6 ways to unlock your Android phone's earning potential. Choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests. Experiment, try different things, and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description for more tips and resources.